Hi guys, welcome to Polimax. I'm Rob, and here we have this Audi R8 on which we're doing the roof starlights. So now you're removing the roof liner and to start the process of applying the roof starlights. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay with us and we'll show how it's done. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video, the installation of this roof starlights, and as you can see, it's an R8. Starlights on an R8 is kind of unusual, but it looks amazing. It's just fantastic. If you want to leave the car, you want to stay inside, once you have them on, you know, like it's a great addition to any vehicle. This car had 430 lights installed in the roof, so, you know, it looks really good. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel, stay with us for the next one. And yes, let us know what you think. See you soon.